VPP, today released its manifesto for the forthcoming elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, JHADC, slated to be held on February 21st. The two-page manifesto released at Mulayam Jair said the party seeks to respect the Constitution of India, to fight against corruption by ensuring good governance, transparency, and accountability in the functioning of the two autonomous district councils, ADCs, besides protecting the interest and rights of the indigenous people. The party also emphasized the need to improve the implementation of the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India, to strengthen the traditional institutions, Dorbar Shnongs, to come with rules and improve the existing ones to address the issues faced by the people. It also pledged to come up with laws that will protect the land rights of the people and to ensure it does not exploit the poor and downtrodden, while also promising to come up with a job recruitment policy for appointment of staff in the district council. Further, the VPP also assured to look after the welfare of the people residing along the border areas and to investigate the alleged border disputes with Assam and to monitor the situation from time to time. It also promised to come up with laws to protect water bodies and rivers and to improve the existing laws for the protection of forest cover and for preserving sacred forest and community forests. Underlining the need to look into the issuing of no objection certificates for establishment of industries, the VPP assured to ensure such industries benefit the local people, adding there is also need to encourage and support local entrepreneurs. The party also assured to take steps to implement e-governance. It also made its stand clear against uranium mining. Asserting the importance of preserving and promoting the rich culture of the indigenous people by setting up a museum, the VPP said it will take steps to promote tourism through rich culture and to come up with policy that will bring close coordination between the district council and the traditional heads, to promote trade and commerce and to protect farmers. The party also assured to improve revenue generation and to promote traditional medicines besides promoting education and research, improving the library and creation of archives.
Kimang trikam na kalian Joko Voice of the People Party bahkan terwasi paiba na kepada election sa Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kumjur sa Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Kan supli halot kimat iwe hadin kawai kabading kom hakabide bakasin sa kada kernet kabahindriyo ban pinbaha ya karukom pentrekam ya kernet bahindriyo joko rigi sinsar kari India sinsar trairi ban pinne ban pinbaha ya karukom sinsar trairi dak ba pinklan ban pinjanai ya ka jing sinsar lingwa ka dorbar ban thau ki an ki rule ban pinbaha iki bladon lupa katkum ka jingdon kam jom kinong song shnong kabalai jinglong kenrat halakari ban pinne ya ka hok long kenrat halo ka kendo ka siap ki klau ki betap bat ki marpo kendo ka besau ka rukom bat kendo katkum ki berim ban chinai ki an ban pindi kena ba ka rukom bat kendo kan om ban ben ki beduk ka besan ka korbar sorbar kam ban pinbaha bat pinbek renti ya ka korbar sorbar kam hapot district council hakitrat mereka berpihak dan kebasna hiki kendon lani ki an ki bedidor kebahenrio ke polisi penrungkam menchna ya ke polisi penrungkam na ke benta ke ji penrungkam ya ki nomtre haki district council kebahenyo e-governance ban persyang ban pintrekam ya ke e-governance kat haki benta ki balak bahkan kampensuk iki paiba ke bapra halor uranium ni persya ya kejingti uranium kamat kabede bak kolsor ban pinne bat kintiu ya kolsor jogi trai muluk ha kabede bat kini harum kebandingkong karwai kasat bak kaput ketem senrai ban thau ki policy trekam bat ki an rikat kilat kilinti nak benta bat pinne pensa bat kintiu ya karwai kasat bak kaput ketem tenrai kabar jing peninam ya ketenrai ban pelong kayo peninam ya karyam ruai syat bat kabam kedi tenrai bat kiwe kabalai kijaka bat jing tei barim ban penne pensa ya kijaka ne kijing tei barim ki badon jede bat culture de ka history jaka jat rio kabasau ka museum ban wat kilat kilenti ban chna ya ka museum ne ka yeng kin show jingtip ka bede ba ka jet rio ki mat ki bede ba ki ban rap roi ka bening kong kam jungok kai ban kintiu ya ka kam jungok kai per thai lingba joba culture man thawi ki policy ba wanra ya ka jinge trailang hapreng ki district council bat ki nom sensha traili halor ka ne ka mat ka baar ka yo ka hat ban pinbha bat pinjanai iki jakalong yo bat nong bat jing piniat ya ka khayi pateng haki yo na ka benta ka jumanto ki panpa bante rakam ya ka jingle jubor persha iki nograp ka balai ka jinglum khajna ban pinbha bat pinrunti ya ka rukom lum khajna ban bishar banya ya ka jingdon joki khrop krom khajna batte rakam yo don ka jupidokam bakla ya ka jinglum khajna